Nourishing your roots, prioritizing self-care in a busy world. Recently, I started container gardening. As I'm planting vegetables and herbs, I realized that the plants are focusing their energies on their roots. It made me wonder, are you nourishing your roots? We're in the midst of fall and winter is around the corner. Now is a good time to be like a plant, which is returning its energy to its roots, and make a mindful, conscious effort to slow down, focus inward, and prepare for the cold winter months. Life's busy. I get it. It's easy to forget self-care. But don't forget that self-care is showing up for you, mind, body, and spirit. Keep in mind that self-care is individual. It's defined by you. Taking time for yourself doesn't have to be a grand production. Small, consistent efforts can go a long way. Here are 12 self-care tips that can make a big difference. 1. Deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Repeat. Instant calm. Nature breaks. Spend time outdoors, like I'm gardening, or you can go to a park. Fresh air and sunlight can do wonders for your mood and your skin. Hello, vitamin D. And unplug for 30 minutes. Give your eyes and mind a break from screens. Find a quiet place and sit in silence. Power nap. A 20-minute nap can do wonders for your energy level. Create a happy playlist. Music can change your mood in minutes. Me, put on some Earth, Wind, and Fire, and I am like a dancing fool. Warm bath. Take a warm bath or a shower. It's a simple way to relax your muscles and unwind. Stretch it out. Spend 5 minutes stretching. Your body will thank you, especially if you sit at a computer all day, like most of us are working from home these days. Early to bed. Ensure you get enough sleep. Establish a bedtime routine for better sleep quality, and it also helps to benefit your skin. Now, this one I can do forever. Reading breaks. Escape into a good book for a minute or a few minutes. It's a mental vacation. The power of no. Learn to say no when necessary. No is a complete sentence, and it's okay to prioritize yourself. You don't need to give any explanation or make any excuses. Try a new recipe. Cooking can be therapeutic, and you get a tasty reward at the end. And mind games. I watch my mother, she sits and she does Sudoku and she does puzzles and all these things on her iPad. If you play a quick brain teaser or do a puzzle, it's fun and it keeps your mind sharp. Remember, self-care is about doing what makes you feel good, even in small doses. You got this! Let me know what you think or share your favorite self-care practice.